We have 2018 Honda Pilot here that is about to go through a recovery. So I'm going to do from the beginning step, recovering this, and we're going to time it and see how long it takes. So refrigerant quantity wise, we're anywhere from 675 to 725 grams of YF refrigerant. So I have it hooked up. The inlet is 3/8. This is 3/8 hose, and the 3/8 hose goes up to a 4-port manifold. Then from the 4-port manifold, we have 2 1/4-inch hoses going down. This valve, the high and low, are not open yet to the system. So we're going to time how long it takes for the unit to recover. So it won't be open to the refrigerant circuit until I turn and open this valve down into the circuit to recover refrigerant, and we'll measure how long it takes, time how long it takes to recover. So I'll start the unit. Okay, the unit is going. And let's start the unit. We're almost 1 minute and 30 seconds into the video. 1, 2, 28, 29, 30, open. So it's sucking so fast. It's at 3 psi in this line here. It's at 17 psi in the outlet line going into the unit. Our system is at 8.9 psi, high side and low side. I am only sucking refrigerant out of the vapor side. Only the low side suction. The high side has not been closed yet. As you can see right here, you see it's not closed yet. So we are only sucking vapor out of the system. Oh, I forgot to put the scale on here. Oh well, do that video. Another video, another time. But this is a big vehicle. This is a Honda Pilot, and it has the large capacity AC system inside of it, which is 725 grams. So we're down to 5.6 psi. And remember, we're only pulling from the suction side right now. And I actually have a window here. You can see, well, through the camera you can't see, but it's just vapor going in. Now we're down to 3 psi in the system. At this point, we're at 0 psi, 62 psi on the high side line, which is the liquid line coming out. And it's really cold outside. Right now I think it's 48 degrees, 52 degrees, something like that. So the refrigerant does not want to leave the system. Everything is really cold. If I put my fingers down here, oh yeah, we're almost making dew point down here, and we'll condensate. So I'm going to open up the high side now. I know now I'm safe to open the high. I won't break out liquid, and I won't remove oil out of the system, because you don't want to remove oil out of the system. So now I'm going to close the high side. Let's find our pressures, and we jump back up to 8 psi. And I'm looking inside the sight glass here. I don't think you can see it, but there's no liquid, there's no oil passing. My vapor is sucking down here. I just opened the high side. There's no flow of any liquid, so there's nothing coming out. We were at 1 minute and 30 seconds, and we're now at 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So 3 minutes has passed. And it's really too bad that I did not put the scale on there. And because a rat chewed this thing out, this is what has to happen. Everything has to come out, because the harness that needs to be replaced right here goes underneath the heater and HVAC box right there. All this had to come out. That. You have all this. You have all that. Just because of a rat. We're at 5 minutes and 24 seconds. We're at negative, oh, we're almost going into microns. We're just about going into microns right now. You could see the evidence of the rat who wanted to make a nest and use part of the wiring harness. So we're empty. I mean, we're going into 2000 micron range. So we're into a deep, deep vacuum right now. So we're doing good on this end. So we're basically empty and we're at 6 minutes. And I started into this video at 1 minute and 30 seconds, and we're at 6 minutes and 12 seconds right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the recovery valve so we could read the pressure of refrigerant in the system. So let's do that right now. There, we're closed. And we're at 956, so we're under 1,000 microns. We literally emptied out this unit in 1 minute to 5.5 minutes, 700 and some grams of refrigerant on a very cold day without warming the engine and trying to boil off refrigerant. That is how fast this thing is. I'll put it in I didn't even put it in suction mode. This is for vapor. This was for liquid. It works faster. Once you get into a vapor only, it works faster when you go into the vapor. I'll open it back up. Well, that's it on this. There is absolutely no automotive piece of equipment on those recovery machines that are even capable of even coming close to these kind of times, let alone pull a system, all the refrigerant out, all the way down into microns. Nothing whatsoever on the market. This is the new standard, the new gold setting standard of any recovery machine of this size and caliber. And don't even talk about automotive manufactured equipment. Those are basically garbage compared to this. That's it. See you guys on the next video.